How's it going, everyone? My name is Jake Stark, and we are here at MarineMax Pompano on board a 2025 32 Sundancer, and we are going to be going over the steps that you should take when you are getting ready to go on your outing on the water. So the first step that we're going to do is locate our battery switches. Here on the 32 Dancer, they are located in this aft port hatch. You'll see a little cutoff video here showing you exactly where they are. We're going to go ahead, we're going to open this, get all of our battery switches turned on. And once we get that all clicked on, we can make our way down into the cabin on this boat to get our engine batteries turned on and take a look at our breaker panel. So we have made our way down into the cabin, which is where our engine keys and breaker panel is located on the 32 Dancer. We're gonna go ahead, get this open, and turn on our engine keys. You can always tell that they're on by the small beep that the engines will give you. And then we're just gonna do a quick overview of our breaker panel, make sure that everything we wanna have on is turned on, and we're gonna make our way back upstairs to get to our helm so we can get our bilge blowers turned on and start getting into the process of turning on our generator. So we're now back up top here at the helm, and we are going to get into the process of turning on our generator. The first step of that is turning on our bilge blowers. That's located really conveniently here on the Sundancer, right here on the starboard side of our switch panel, and we're actually gonna make our way back toward our actual bilge. We're gonna move any debris that are in the way of our bilge hatch, and we're actually gonna go ahead and proceed with opening this hatch, which you can see here on the port or starboard side, of this boat is a small switch right here near the far top arch, which this is all electrically actuated. We'll just hold this button for a second and we'll get this hatch open so we can verify that our seacocks are open for our AC pump and our generator prior to starting it. So now that we have our hatch open, I have turned our bilge blowers off just so you guys can hear me a little bit better, but we're going to verify that our generator seacock is open and our AC in this case while we're down here, just to go ahead and make sure. In the 32 Dancer, you have two vented slots here that you can easily remove. We'll just place them up here for now. And this will give us access to all of our strainers. In this boat specifically, we have a Blackwater seacock, a generator seacock, and an AC seacock. We're just gonna verify that these are in the up position, and also just by taking a quick visual look, make sure that we don't see any big pockets of air in the sea strainer themselves. And as long as everything looks good, we are good to put these slotted covers back on, and we're good to go ahead and start up our generator. For convenience's sake, since we are already here in the bilge, we are actually going to turn it on with the toggle that is located here right on the generator. Press and hold that for a couple of seconds. It'll fire right up. Now that we have the generator started, one quick easy check to make sure that our generator is pumping correctly is just by taking a quick look over the side of the boat to make sure that we see water flowing out. On this boat here, you can see that it's pumping out just fine, so we know that everything is working as designed and we're cool to move on to the next step. And our final step before we unhook our shore power cord and go ahead and set sail is to come back down to our breaker panel and go ahead and transfer over from shore power to generator power. That's a super simple thing to do. You're just going to come to your breaker panel, flick off your shore breaker, switch it over to your generator, and ensure that your transfer switch is turned on as well. From there, we're good to go. We can close up our cabinet, get up to the helm, start our engines, and set sail. Now that we are over on our generator power, we're good to go to come back to where we started and essentially just unplug our shore power cord. We'll get this off of the boat, start up our engines, and we're ready to go. And that's it, you're ready to go enjoy your day on the water. If you guys have any questions, please reach out to us here at MarineMax Pompano at 954-783-9555. Thank you for watching, and we will see you guys in the next one.